Good evening, everybody. So, I would like to welcome you all to our UPL PGCET crash course. So, my name is Deepa. So, I will be teaching you mathematics. Okay, so in this mathematics, I am going to teach quantitative analysis, one of the section of your syllabus. Okay, so in your syllabus, they have made 4 sections. First one, proficiency in English. Second one, general knowledge. Third one, reasoning and general intelligence. And fourth one is quantitative analysis. That is what I am going to take. Okay, so dear students, I would like to tell one thing about PGCET exam. So pattern. So in that exam, they will ask 100 questions. So from each section, they will ask 25 questions. Okay. From proficiency of English, they will ask 25 questions. And general knowledge, there are also 25 questions. And intelligence, that is also given 25 marks. In our section, that is quantitative analysis, that is also given 25 marks. Total, they will ask 100 marks. Okay. So in our section, that is what is qualitative or quantitative analysis. So let us see our syllabus. So, okay, students, let us see our syllabus in our quantitative analysis. In this quantitative analysis, both mental ability and basic mathematics are there. So, basic mathematics is nothing but PU ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಓದಿರ್ತಿರೋ, ಸೊ PU ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಅವರ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಏಜಸ್. So let us see here problems on first topic is. So let us see that first topic is problems on ages and averages, and second one quadratic equation, and third one percentages, and fourth one profit and loss, and fifth one interest. Here simple and compound interest, and next one speed, time and distance, and time and work, and one more ratios and proportions and others. So next one number system. It comes from the basic mathematics. Okay, and elementary mathematics, it is also comes from basic mathematics. And mixtures and alligations, it is belongs to mental ability. And also unitary method and permutations and combination, this is comes from PU syllabus. And sequence and series, this is also comes from PU syllabus. And mean, median, deviation, and height, distance, and triangles and circles, coordinate geometry, and complex numbers, inequalities, set theory. So and one more last topic, that is trigonometrics. This belongs to PU syllabus. Okay, so here let us go to start with first one. So first topic is problems on ages and averages. First topic, so that is problems on ages and averages. Okay, let's see. So before going to solve the problem, we have to see what are the important formulas are there in our problems and ages. So here it is problems formula, that is if the current age is X. So what are the formula we need to remember in our solve question. Okay, so first one, if the current ages is X, if the current ages is X, if the current ages X, then n times the age is, current age is X, then n times of age will be n into X. So here n will be 1 to up to infinity. Okay, whatever the number they have asked, so that will be replaced to n. Okay, second one, if the current ages is x, if the current ages is x, then age n years after a later or ends. Here, after a later ends denotes futures years. That will be x plus n, x plus n. And one more, if the current age is x, then age n years ago, before or ago, that indicates or that denotes x minus n. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಗೋ ಆರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ the age in a ratio, that is a is to b, that will be ax and bx. So in the form of a ratio, that will be ax and bx. So a is to b anta kottidre, so current age enagirutte antandre ax and bx agirutte. Okay, next fifth one, that is if the current age is x, then 1 by n of a is x by n. So here it is fraction form alli ide. So ಅವರು 1 by n ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ the age should be x divided by n. Okay, so one more formula that belongs to averages. So let us see. So here are the formula that belongs to averages. So first formula, that is average is equal to average, that's equal to sum of observation divided by total number of observation. So average is nothing but ಅವ್ರು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ನಾವು ಅವರೇಜ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ observation is nothing but what are the numbers they given. So we should sum that numbers, that becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So divided by total number of observation. It is nothing but total number of individuals. ಎಷ್ಟು numbers ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. That means 1 2 3 4 5, 5 numbers are there. So in the numerator we should sum, and in denominator we have to write the total number of observation. Then totally we will get, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that becomes 15 divided by total number of observation 5. So we will simplify this one. Then we will get 3. The average of first 5 natural numbers is 3. So hope you understand. So second formula, that is average of first n natural numbers. Average of first n natural numbers. So suppose ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊ MCQ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ n ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ n into n plus 1. So sorry, here n is missing. The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula, that is average of first n natural numbers. Okay, then second one, average of squares of first n natural numbers. Squares ಅಂದ್ರೆ a square, b square, c square, or in a numerical form 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, so we should write the average of n natural numbers for squares, that is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. It is the formula to relate the squares of n natural numbers. And one more, so cubes, average of cubes of n natural numbers. Average of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Or we can write like this, squaring every term, we will get n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 2 square is nothing but 4. So are you understand? So here n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square is nothing but n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So and one more formula is there. So let us see. Average of first n even numbers. Average of first n even numbers, that should be n plus 1. And last one, average of squares of first n even numbers. Squares of first n even numbers formula, that is 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3. These are all the formula that belongs to formulas on averages, and first one, that is formulas that belongs to ages. Okay, so let us see problem section. Hope you understand this about formulas. So we are going to solve problems. Okay, students. So here the first question from the ages problem. Let's see. The first question is, today Radha is 5 times as old as her daughter. Then 4 years ends, the sum of their ages will be 44 years. So then how old is Radha's daughters now? So here we have to find out the current age of Radha's daughter. Okay, so whatever the questions will ask, we should we have to remember that is current age. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸೊ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಫೋರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so this is the first question. Today Radha is 5 times as old as her daughter. Then 4 years ends ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This means after 4 years. After 4 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ daughter of Radha's age is what? We have to find out this one. Okay. Let us see our answer. So here are the answer. So option A, 4 years. Option B, 10 years. Option C, 6 years. Option D, 16 years. Here, answer will be C. So let us see the explanation. Here, we don't know the current age of Radha's daughter. So that's why we have to take Radha's daughter age. I'm going to take a daughter, that is T. So daughter age will be X years. Okay. Then the Radha's age will be 5 times of our daughter. Is nothing but Radha is mother here. Okay. So daughter will be D, that is X years. So Radha is mother. So mother's age will be 5 times of our daughter. That means we have to multiply by 5 to daughter age. Daughter age will be X. Then Radha's age is 5 times of daughter age, that is 5X. Okay, so from the given conditions, what they given? 4 years ends, the sum of their ages will be 44 years. 4 years ends ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ends is nothing but after 4 years. After 4 years ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so after 4 years, daughter age will be after 4 years. Daughter age will be X plus 4. So after ends later anta bandaga, we should add the given years. Okay. So I'm going to write X plus 4. This is age after 4 years of daughter. Okay. So next one, after 4 years, after 4 years of mother age will be, after 4 years of mother age will be, that is Radha age after 4 years, that is 5X plus 4. 5X plus 4. So here we need to calculate the age of daughter. Okay. So from our condition says that 4 years ends, the sum of their ages will be 44. Here we need to sum. Sum of their ages, that will be X plus 4 plus 5X plus 4 is equal to, after 4 years ends, the sum of their ages, that will be 40. ಸೊ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಗಳದು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 44 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್, so x plus 5x, that will be 6x, plus 4 plus 4, that is 8, that is equal to 44. Then take 8 to right side, then it becomes 44 minus 8. 44 minus 8, that becomes 36. That becomes 36. Then value of x will be 6 1 the 6 6 the. So value of x is equal to 6. Here x is the Radha's daughter age. So the current age of Radha's daughter is 6. So our answer C. Our answer C, that is 6. So here Radha's daughter age is 6. Then what is the Radha ages? We have to simplify 5x. This is Radha age. So we need to apply the value of x to this x. So then we will get 5 into 6, that is equal to 30. So they only ask about the daughter present age. So here daughter present age is 6. Okay, are you understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಕ್ಳ?
ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಳ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ.